Hello guys, and welcome to Jane's beauty salon. Today I will go and have a haircut, and Jane started a new beauty salon a couple of weeks ago, and she also have a nail salon that I made another video about. But today I want to try a haircut in Jane's beauty salon in Soi Buakhao. It's just next to her other shop that makes nails, and I want to try this too and help her a little bit on her way. So let's go inside. Hello Jane, and congratulations with your new beauty shop here.
Thank you very much.
What is the address? Is Soi Buakhao, right?
Yes, Soi Buakhao. Yes.
Yeah. And you make a haircut and you also make eyebrows tattoo?
Yes, no, eyelash extension.
Ah, extension.
Yeah, extension eyelashes. Yeah.
Okay, eyelashes. Okay. So.
The one whose name is Plum.
Yeah.
Plum.
Okay.
Her name is Plum.
Yeah.
Yeah, she very good.
She very good for doing this.
Yeah, she very good with eyelash extension.
Yes.
She the best.
Aha.
Yeah.
Good.
Look how thick this is.
Yes.
Yeah.
Very nice. Okay, but I'm here for the haircut, Jane. So.
Yes, of course. You can have a haircut to make you more look smart. Yes.
So, I will have a haircut. What is the name of the hairdresser?
The hairdresser, her name is To.
Okay.
Yes.
This one here, yeah.
Yeah, this one here,
Yeah,
To.
that lady.
You can cut Ian hair and make him look smart.
Yeah, make me look smart.
Yeah, he from Denmark, okay?
Yeah. But you don't speak English?
No.
No. Okay. So I ask you all the time, yeah?
Okay.
Okay.
Give me a shout. You need to ask him.
Yeah.
This one, please.
This one, okay.
Yep.
I sit down here. Whoa. Big man.
Yeah, big man.
190.
Yes.
190. So Jane,
Yes.
you started this salon when? You opened
On
this
the
salon?
20th of November, we
Yeah.
opened this salon.
Okay, 2022.
Yep.
Yep. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Yes. And then I get this one on. Yes. And how much for this haircut here? For a man?
Like that.
150 baht, right?
Yeah, 150 baht, and she does a good job. Yeah,
Yeah.
she shave you as well.
Okay.
You will see how good is it.
Shave my ears too?
You have to pay more
Oh, okay.
for it.
Okay.
Yeah?
I'm looking forward to this. Wait. Oh, thank you.
Okay.
And
Enjoy
I
your
have to
haircut,
put
Ian.
here. Yes.
Anything you want to know, just let me.
Yeah.
Ask me, yeah?
But you also have the beauty salon with the nails, yeah?
Yes, I do, yeah.
Yeah, next to 50 meters from here or
Yes.
something, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, nice. But I don't want to have my nails done
Are
yet.
you sure you don't
Yeah.
want pink color on your nails?
Do you do the coloring here too?
Of course you can.
Yeah.
What
Not-
color
not-
you want?
Not me, but
Somebody else, yeah.
Yeah,
We can dry the color as well.
okay. Very good.
And we also have the nail shop over there as well.
Yes,
Can you
exactly.
put the camera over there?
Yeah, of course.
That one.
Ah. So you have nails, you have,
Barber, salon,
Barber.
and eyelash extension.
yeah. Wow, 3 in 1.
Yeah. 3 in 1.
Nice. Very nice. So all the ladies should go here and make a haircut and
Yeah.
nails done.
Everybody welcome.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
everybody welcome. A man can have haircut. That's nice. Can she do 6 millimeter around here?
เขาบอกว่า6
6
มิลได้ไหม
millimeter?
ใช่เนี่ย
Yes,
Yeah.
it's 6 mil.
6 millimeter?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's okay for you?
Oh, I don't see what you do. What?
Yeah, 6 millimeters.
Yeah, okay, 6 millimeters. So if you are in Soi Buakhao, you can go to Jane's beauty salon, where you can have your nails done, you can have a haircut, you can have a hair color. After the video, I will show you some of the area here, so we can take a look at that after my haircut.
You little bit taller and my hairbrush is short.
Oh, I have to fall a little bit down.
No,
I can,
it's okay, it's
I
fine
can.
now.
You see, like this.
Thank you.
That's very good, yeah.
Yeah, no problem.
เขานั่งลำบากของลูก
Oh, you okay, Ian?
Yeah, I'm fine. This is including in the haircuts.
Yes, include is in the haircut.
Yeah,
Yeah,
fixing my eyebrows.
yeah.
Yeah, nice. So you get good value for money here in
I know.
your
Everything.
beauty shop here
Yeah.
and hair salon and
You know, sometimes you can go for 80 baht haircut.
yeah,
But maybe they're not using more like this, you know?
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's low price.
Here she do everything. Tidy your eyebrow,
Yeah.
hair in the ears,
Yeah.
everything included for 150 baht.
I feel that in the it's tickling.
Yeah, and she will shape on here as well for you, you know?
Yeah,
Yeah, not
yeah,
finished yet.
in the neck. Yeah,
Yeah.
shape. Yeah.
Yeah, shape here.
Okay,
I don't
yeah.
know what you call.
No, but the neck.
Yeah, the neck.
Yeah, neck.
Yeah. Now she go to tidy on neck here when you got baby hairs here.
Yeah.
I don't know what
Baby
you call.
hair. No, it's okay with baby hair.
I don't know what you call.
I don't know too. Neck hair.
Huh?
Neck hair.
Are you sure?
No. No,
What do you think so far?
I think very good.
Yeah.
Very good.
Good with the price.
Yes, very good. I think a lot of foreigners love this price and this salon.
I know because on the foreign is the more expensive
Yeah.
for the haircut.
Yeah, you know, in Denmark I pay like 1,700 baht for haircut,
Wow.
and here 150 baht. Whoa!
Cannot go wrong.
No, you cannot. What is this?
Oh, like a คืออะไรอะโต๊ะ
ก็นี่ไงโฟม
Is it waxing?
foam
โฟมแล้วก็เจ
for
ล
shape.
Foam? Ah, okay, foam, shave foam.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
เจลโกนหนวดนะพี่
Okay.
ไม่ใช่เจลใส่ผมเนอะ
Shaving foam.
Yeah.
เจลเชฟวิ่ง
Yes. And then you use a knife after this?
Yeah, to shave it.
Yes.
Don't be scared, okay? Because
No, I don't.
she quite have experience
Yeah, I know.
for a long time. ขอบคุณนะคุณพี่โอกาสได้ก็ต้องใจมิ้นทำอะไร39 บาทเท่าไหร่นะ39 บาทเทียนอะไรเทียน
เป็น LED
เทียน LED อันเล็กๆน่ารักน่ารักไปดูขึ้นมาหลังเสียงนะ
เสร็จแล้วนะเจน
Okay, finish with a small massage too.
Small massage.
Hmm.
How you feel?
I feel very good.
You feel like a new man after the
A
haircut.
total new man. Yeah. Okay, ครับ
You know when they do it to you in Thailand, I mean you have to pay now, okay?
Yeah, okay. So, this was my haircut in Jane's beauty salon in Soi Buakhao at the end of Soi Buakhao. Now it's late afternoon, so the music has started and the bars has slowly opened, and I'm very happy with my haircut for 150 baht. You can get your nails done in there, you can get something with your face and your eyebrows or something like that, or with this. So, but just go to Jane's Beauty Salon in Soi Buakhao. It's just next to the market in Soi Buakhao, so it's very easy to find. Just look for this sign. So thank you for looking at my video, and I wish you a good day. And remember to subscribe, like, and everything. You know what to do. And I will see you in my next video from Yen Travel Thailand. See you next time. Bye bye.